Trolling Nwosu. I'm going to be doing a presentation on human digestive system, introduction. The presentation will explain the following areas. 1. The structures and functions of the digestive system. 2. The constituent food groups of balanced diet and the example of their sources. 3. The processes of mechanical and chemical digestion, including the optimum condition for the enzymes involved, and 2 specific named enzymes, for example, pepsin. The basic process of digestive system is ingestion, digestion, absorption, and the elimination of food. Elimination of food is the last function of digestive system, while absorption is the entrance of digested food, now called nutrients, into the body. Digestion is the breakdown of food into smaller molecules which are then absorbed into the body. Ingestion is the process of eating the food. Parts of digestive system with diagram. The digestive tract or alimentary canal is a continuous tube with 2 openings, the mouth and the anus. It includes the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, liver, gallbladder, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and the anus. The mouth. From the mouth, the process begins. The mouth involves the teeth, tongue, and salivary gland, and are involved in the process of absorption of the food molecules. Food is partly broken down by the process of chewing and chemical action of salivary enzymes. From the mouth, the food passes down through the pharynx and the esophagus. Pharynx. Pharynx is called the throat. It's a funnel-shaped tube that is connected to the mouth. It is changed with passing chewed food into the esophagus from the mouth. It features the epiglottis, which is used as a switch to control the entry of food and air into the larynx and the esophagus, respectively. The esophagus is a long tube that runs from the mouth to the stomach. It's about 25 cm long. It uses rhythmic wave-like muscle movement called peristalsis to push food to the stomach. The next is the liver. This is the body's main chemical factory, performing hundreds of different functions. It processes nutrients absorbed in the body by small intestine, creating energy, giving glycogen from salivary, carbohydrates, and protein. The liver also breaks down unwanted chemicals such as any alcohol consumed, which is detoxified and passed from the body as a waste. The gallbladder. The gallbladder is pear-shaped sac that is attached to the liver. The main function or role of the gallbladder is to store bile, and bile helps to digest fat. Stomach. It is jet-shaped muscle sac. It has an inner fold called rege that increases the surface area of the stomach. It churns and grinds bolus of food into smaller molecules. The bolus of food becomes more fluid and is called chyme. The food is mixed with gastric juices called hydrochloric and enzymes secreted from the stomach wall. The hydrochloric acid digestion breaks down food and kills bacteria that came along with the food. The small intestine. Small intestine is 2.5 to 7 meters long, located in the center of the abdominal cavity. It's divided into 3 parts. 1. Duodenum, 2. Jejunum, and ileum. The large intestine. The large intestine is called colon. It is 1.5 meters long. It's used to absorb water from the waste leftover and to produce vitamin K and vitamin B with the help of good bacteria. There are 4 sections in the large intestine. First one is ascending colon, the transverse colon, the descending colon, which is the 3rd one, and the last one is sigmoid. And sigmoid, it is muscular and increased pressure inside the colon, causing the feces to move into the rectum. The next is the rectum and the anus. The rectum acts as a temporary storage site for feces. It's about 6 to 8 inches long and is the final portion of the large intestine leading into the anal canal. Anal canal or anus. Anus is the opening at the end of the digestive tract where stool leaves the body. The next topic I'm going to be discussing about is the sources. is the constituent food group of a balanced diet and the example of their sources. There are 7 components of balanced diet: protein, carbohydrate, fiber, vitamins, mineral, lipid, and water. Protein, number 1, protein is the body building block, and their sources are egg, meat, and fish. Carbohydrates are micronutrient and excellent source of energy. Their sources are pasta, rice, bread, potatoes, corn, and cereal. Fiber is the third one and is in this indigestible part of plant food. It helps to reduce blood cholesterol. The sources are vegetables, whole grain, wheat, and seeds. Vitamins. Vitamins are natural substance. They are required limited quantity. They are water soluble, which is vitamin B and C, and fat soluble, which is vitamin A, D, E, K. Sources are fruits and vegetables. Minerals. Minerals help with the release of energy from the food items. Their sources are fish, milk, vegetable grain, legume, nuts, and seeds. Lipid is a molecule that contains hydrocarbons. It makes the building block of the structure and functions of the living cells. The sources are seed, nuts, and oil. Water is essential for life and is involved in every process and function in the body. It helps for waste disposal and transport medium for chemical reactions. Sources are food components, metabolic, water, and food intake. The third topic I'm going to be talking about is the process of mechanical and chemical digestion, including the optimum conditions for enzymes involved. Mechanical digestion. Mechanical digestion starts in the mouth. The teeth break down the food into more digestive pieces through the process called mastication. While chemical digestion actually starts in the mouth with the discharge of enzymes in saliva known as amylase. And this is important in breaking down carbohydrates after food is swallowed. The muscles in the tongue and mouth push down the food into the pharynx and epiglottis to break down the large microfood nutrient. Many of the structures within the digestive system release substances called enzymes. Examples of enzymes involved are pepsin and amylase. Pepsin is one of the main digestive enzymes in the digestive system. It breaks down proteins into smaller peptides. Amylase is the enzymes that helps in the digestion of carbohydrates. In most cases, they are broken down into glucose. Conclusion. The digestive system starts working as soon as the food enters the mouth and is swallowed. Several organs work together to complete the function. Then, there are also chemical and mechanical processes that work together to digest the food and provide energy to the body with the help of taking a balanced diet, which is important for the organs to run in a healthy manner. These are my references. Thank you for watching. Bye.